Hello guys, and welcome to Macadel online classes. My name is Nita, your physical and online instructor. Alright, so we're going to be making a bra cup using a ready-made bra. Alright, so you can actually buy a bra in the market or get your bra at home, especially for those that can't find their sizes of bra cup. This is a very good option for you. Alright, so get your bra at home, use your paper tape, and put it on it just like so, and then try to press down this part I'm showing you, just to show you where you're meant to mark, so that you can cut off, because you're trying to mold this bra cup out for you to use and create your own. All right, so I'm trying to use a pencil to show you how you're meant to create this part, right? But I also use a marker anyway eventually to show you what to do here. Okay, so you can actually divide this cup as much as you like. Do you understand? Like into 3 places, into 2 places, just like you do your corset cups. It's the same thing. But before you get there, of course, you need to mold the cup. Okay, so you can divide them just as so, into 2, into 3. It's as simple as that. All right. Okay, so here am I now using a marker to outline the places I told you about. So these are the edges of your own bra cup. But please, when you're using a bra cup, or your ready-made bra, make sure that it's that bra that the cup, the push-up is really there. Okay, so that, and also you can also place this on the bust mold you're seeing on that table, the white one, while you're trying to place your paper tape on it. All right, so I'm using my marker to outline all the edges. Just, you can redesign this part. Maybe in another video I'll show you how to do this. And as of now, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Show me some love and encourage me on this journey. Okay, so you can actually redesign this cup just as you want it, because by the time you put it, take it off and place it on your pattern paper or your test fabric to cut it out, it will give you that design you actually want. So now I'm dividing my cup into 2. I'm not doing the 3-face cup, right? It's going to be 2. So that's what I'm using my pencil to do. And then I'm still going to outline it using the marker to show you. You need to design your cup just the way you want it here, while you have molded like your bra cup already on your already existing ready-made brassiere rather. All right, so you can mark it just like so. And if you're using a 3, the part you divide into 3, you have the 1, 2, 3 of the cups. You can do so. So I'm now using a tape to measure it. Right, so I've placed this end of the tape where my under bust measurement is, which is 15, and I'm going to mark where my bust height is, which is 11.5. all right, so you use it to check, of course, and you can use this to run a check to know that this is actually your, because the highest part of this should be at your bust height. So that's where my bust height measurement is, and of course it's just perfect. All right, so you can also measure your side to side. By now you should know how to measure your breasts, to your bust or whatever you call it, to know how to, get your measurements on this as well. So just now I'm showing you, if you're, to create it into a 3-part, you can mark to 2 inches, just like so, like I'm doing, because probably I should have used another marker to show you this, but just like you do your corsets, cups, right? So you can divide this part just like so. All right, so you have this top without the line, and then you have the down part splitted into 2. So in that case, you're going to be having 3-face cup, right? So if you're doing that, please do that. So now label this. You need to know where your center front is. You need to know where your side front is. You need to know where your up part, is facing this, is facing. Once you cut it off, you don't run into any issues, all right? So use your arrow signs and mark it. Please mark it. Mark up, mark down, mark center, put your notch marks, right? I'm indicating where my bust height is as well, right? So you need to get these indications. It doesn't do any harm, so you don't mix it up when you're cutting it out. All right, so now that we're done, we'll move on to cutting it out. Okay, so you're going to try to move it up off the bra itself, the brassiere itself, just like I'm doing so, right? So try to pull the paper tape up gently so that you're able to cut around. So just do like so. Be soft about it with all the love and patience. I teach that. I like saying that. Please, when you're doing these things, do them with a lot of love and patience. All right. So I've pulled it up just like so, and then you're going to cut around the marks you have made. It's as easy as that. All right. I mean, what trips me is the outcome of it. So you can use it to create, don't worry, I can't find my bra cup in the market. Don't worry, just pick the one at home now and get these things done. All right, so you cut it through just like so on the line. Remember, I said with a whole lot of love and patience. All right, okay. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do so and show me some love. And for those that have, thank you. I'm so much grateful. All right, so I'm done with the down part, as you've seen. Now I'm going to move to the top part. Like I said, the lines you have marked, you're going to cut them out. I'll even cut, the pattern into two where I have the middle line as well. Remember, I said I'm using a two-face, I'm making mine into two, not three. So pull this up as well so that you're able to cut, and not be careful so you don't cut into your bra. All right. So that's it. That's why you're moving it up, and then cut through this part. And then you're going to see a clean looking pattern, because already you're actually creating your pattern using your ready-made brassiere rather. My friend says brassiere. It's not a bra, it's a brassiere. Please, you can, whichever one it is, just take it. All right, okay. I always love the outcome of this. I mean, look at how it's sitting. It's already looking, it's pretty, right? So the next thing you're going to cut, pull it off, and then you're going to cut it into two, and then you go cut it on your laminated foam, and then make it just like this. Look at how it's lovely. Make yours, and let's see what it looks like.